What's good, y'all? We got Taco Bell. We got the grilled cheese burrito, nacho cheese, mild sauce. Here, y'all get the first bite. What's your favorite sauce from Taco Bell? To be honest, all of them taste the same to me. Guacamole, more nacho cheese, Diablo sauce. Here, y'all get another bite. They brought back the Cool Ranch taco. Here goes some mild sauce. This is probably one of the best things on the menu. The only flaw Taco Bell really got is they drinks. Taco Bell, y'all need to add some better drinks. Y'all make sure y'all like the video though.